Please pause the video and read the problem. Alright. Now you understand this y is the random variable. It has a binomial distribution n equal 30 and p, which is the success probability, is 0.35. First one is asking what is the probability exactly 10 patients respond positively. How do we find the probability exactly 10 patients respond positively? First, you should know the probability mass function of the binomial distribution. Here y defined from 0 to n equal 30, therefore y goes from 0 to 30. Now let me find the probability exactly 10 patients. How do we find it? That means probability y equal 10. Then we know n equal 30, y equal 10, p equal 0.35. So you can plug the numbers and simplify this. So answer is 0.15. Again, this is the probability exactly 10 patients respond positively. The second one, what is the probability at most 10 respond positively? Okay, at most 10. Then how do we find this one? At most 10 mean probability y less than or equal 10. Then first we need to find the y values. What are the y values? Y less than or equal 10 mean y goes from 0 to 10. We need to find the probability for each parts and add them together. As an example, find the probability for the y equal 0 and then find the probability for y equal 1, continue until 10, then add them together. So I can show like this, then plug the numbers and simplify. That is 0.508. Third one, what is the probability at least 10 respond positively? At least 10 here. Then how do we find it? At least 10 mean probability y greater than equal 10. If you use y greater than equal 10, then you know the values should be y equal 10, y equal 11 up to 30 because n equal 30. But there is an easier way to do this. How do we do that? It is 1 minus probability y less than or equal 9. Then you can use the same procedure I explained under part 2. So you can plug the numbers. Here you see 1 minus y goes from 0 to 9. Since this is a discrete random variable, binomial distribution is a discrete distribution. Therefore, probability y greater than equal 10 mean 1 minus probability y less than equal 9. Okay, right. Then we know summation goes from 0 to 9. So you take each of them separately like part 2. Then you can simplify. Probability is 0.642. Fourth one is asking where expected value of y and variance of y. Since y has a binomial distribution, what is the expected value of y of the binomial distribution? That is np. So what is the n here? 30. P is 0.35. Therefore, expected value is 30 times 0.35, which is 10.5. Then what is the variance of the binomial distribution? That is np times 1 minus p. So we know n p values. So plug the numbers and answer is 6.825. Now we know the expected value and the variance. But how do we find the standard deviation? Standard deviation is the square root of the variance. Therefore, square root of the 6.825, which is 2.61.